Hey guys, how to purchase Zig Analytics tool. I'm going to explain to you exactly how to purchase Zig Analytics tool. Okay, the first thing you do is to click on the link in the description below. The first link we should take you to their website. Click the first link in the description below and take you to this website here. And the first thing we're going to do, let's look at the pricing plans. I just want to state that Zig Analytics do have a free trial. They have a 7-day free trial, but you have to pay $1. You have to pay $1 for the free trial, which is quite cheap, in my opinion. And so look at the first one is the pro plan. The pro plan provides professional research tools for making data-driven business decisions. And let's look at the features, which is amazing. It's only $14. It used to be $29.99 per month, but they cancelled it, and this is it for the first month, which means after the first month you get to pay $29, which approximately $30, which is it. The free trial is $1 free trial for 7 days. You pay $1 for the free trial. And then the key benefits of product research, which means you get to do your product research. You're on eBay, on even AliExpress, you want to do your product research, you can do your product research with this tool. It can help you can research your competitors, you can know what they are doing, the titles they are using, and all of that, all with this Zig analytic plan, which is amazing. And you can check category research, you can also check title builders. They help you to optimize your title so that people can easily buy from you. And you also find items. I know that a lot of people have look for ways to find items on eBay to sell, find items. Zig analytics does it for you. So this is it, and this is the pro plan, the pro plus plan rather. They provide big data and automations for increasing market share to the next level, which is amazing. And this one, they give you 500 best-selling ebook items, eBay items, 500 best-selling eBay items, which is amazing. That means they give you a list of the best-selling items within the past 24 hours. Trust me guys, I've been into this and I know that it actually worked. They'll actually give me 500 best-selling eBay items, which is actually amazing. And they also give you box scanner. The scan instantly find thousands of Amazon and Walmart dropshipping items. They give you different items for Amazon and dropshipping, especially those you want to resell. It's actually amazing. Ali growth scanner, the same thing for AliExpress. Easily gather the data and trends coming from AliExpress, which is amazing. You can actually use it to also resell, it's amazing guys. And this is the enterprise the enterprise, and provides complete automation and maximum data to capture all possible opportunities. Now, all the features from Pro and Pro Plus, that's what they're giving you. That means they're giving you a combination of the one of Pro and the one of Pro Plus, which is autopilot, automatically find drop shipping products from AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. This is amazing. For those of you who do drop shipping, this is amazing. Turbo scanner automatically discover the best selling dropshipping items from Amazon and Walmart, which is amazing. So guys, this is amazing guys, this is amazing. It's actually very amazing. So let's click on this. Let's say you want to purchase this. I'm going to show you how to purchase it, remember. So you click on it and then we'll put our email. I'm putting my other email because my first email is already in and they're not going to accept it. I already have planned, so I put this one. Okay, it's loading, and you put your first name. Right, gone. This, put my last name, email, and then put a password. Okay, I'm not a robot. Access, click identify, then go to next. It's easy and simple. It's loading, which is amazing. Well, I do sell online. They're asking, are you currently selling online? Example, I have a product listed. Boy. I have a product listed on eBay or other marketing place right now. Yes, I actually do. Which business model best describes? I'm showing you step by step. um I'll go with dropshipping, but yeah, I do sell my own stocks. But for those of you who are dropshippers on eBay and stuff, so let's just what would you like to accomplish with analytics? Find additional and more highly profitable dropshipping products. Yes, yes. Automate my product research process. Yes. Optimize titles. Yes. Okay, that should do it. Which is amazing. Now we get to the plan area. Get to the plan, and okay, let me take it back. So I think I I was in a hurry, so I picked it, right, and then they led me straight. No, they're asking me to go back to paper, which I didn't pick paper. Yeah, so this is what the next page. So you're almost done. If you use PayPal, if you use Payoneer, if you use your direct credit card, yeah, you can pick anyone. So if you guys want me to make a separate video of each of the payment methods, I'm going to do it. Just hit me in the comment box below. And by the way, just like this video if you're enjoying this video or you're learning anything from it. So it's easy. I'll go with credit card because it's usually almost the same thing. This usually is the hardest. PayPal, they'll give you step by step. So let me go credit card. Put in your card name. I already have an account on Zig Analytics, so I don't think I'm going to be purchasing Zig Analytics because I already have an account. So I'm not, but just put your card name. I think I'm going to blur this, so I'm going to blur it. Sorry guys, I know it's blurred. Okay. Okay. I'm actually going to blur this, so because there are weird people out there on the internet. So yeah, so that should be it. Putting your CVV and putting your address. Okay, just putting your address. Okay, put your city and zip code, and you're good to go. Then you click on complete payment and it gets complete. So guys, that's how it works, and easy and simple. You're going to be introduced into your dashboard the moment you purchase the free trial. It's a $1 free trial. Remember, it's $1 free trial for 7 days. Then you get to pay this amount, then you get to pay this. So guys, if you're getting any value from this, kindly like this video and share to those who want to purchase Zig Analytics. It's very easy. So let me just recap again. The first step is to go to their website. It's ziganalytics.com, or you can click the link in the description below. I left the link to save you energy. Just click the link in the description to take you to their website page, and the next step is to, or you can go to their website ziganalytics.com. That's the first step. Let me recap. First step, click the link in the description below. It's a discount link, by the way. I highly recommend it, which means you get to save 50% off, 50% discount if you use the link in the description below. Then when you're here, you put in your email. I've already put in my email, so you put in your email right here. put in your email, right? They say email already exists because I already have an account with them. So yeah, so the first step is to put in your email. Then they're going to take you to the pricing, and then you pick the package you want, and then you pay your $1 for it. You go through the card and payment process, and if you want to use your card, you want to use PayPal, you want to use Payoneer, you can use any of them. Yeah, and remember it's a $1 free trial for 7 days, and yeah, you can put replay the video if you want to watch from the beginning again. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps you a lot. So yeah, until my next video, kindly like this video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. That'll be it for today.